such a good boy. He's such a good boy. Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, that was my dog Dexter. He decided to join us for a little bit today. But a couple videos ago, I said to you that I was thinking about getting that Spoiler King roof spoiler. Well, I got it. I actually got it about a couple weeks ago, but I'm getting it painted tomorrow. But a couple weeks ago, I made a video on mocking up the rear spoiler. So we're gonna do the same thing today. We're gonna mock up the roof spoiler, and then I need your help, but we'll get to that after we mock up the spoiler. So let's take a look at the roof spoiler. Again, it comes in a little box just like this, you know, nothing crazy. So I'm assuming it's the same kind of rubber that it is for the spoiler. All right, again, you got a license plate frame, that's 2. A package label, and instructions, and another sticker. So it comes in the same plastic as the other one did. And again, it comes with 2 stickers, instructions, and the adhesive. An alcohol pad. So again, it's just like the other one. Very manipulative. 2-sided tape. Pretty self-explanatory, really. You just put it on the back window. So let's just throw it on real quick, see what it looks like. So the windshield curves. The spoiler is straight, but it's made out of rubber, and it is very manipulable. So what you're gonna end up having to do is manipulate it around the curve. So let's give that a shot. Then what you're gonna have to do is just work your way down the windshield. Actually doing this on your own is actually really easy. And it's a perfect fit, corner to corner. No issues at all, perfect fit. Now again, I'm not gonna push down hard on it. I'm gonna rip it right back off and get it painted tomorrow. But this is what it looks like. At the beginning of the video, I said I needed your help. What I need your help with is picking a color for both the spoilers and the emblems. I'm on the fence on which ones I want to choose. The front emblem, I already know what I'm doing with that one, so I'm not worried about that one, but it's all in the rear ones. So I'm looking either to go gloss black, like the wheels, or Aegean blue, like the color of the car. So if you think I should go gloss black, leave a 1 in the comments section. If you think I should go with the Aegean blue, leave a 2 in the comments section. Whichever one you guys vote for the most is the one I'm gonna choose, because I don't care which one, I think either one will look great on it. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like rating. If you're looking for more 11th gen content, click right here. Make sure to leave a comment. And as always, this is your boy Miller. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.